which flutters proudly above the happy couple like a declaration of love. All on your processioning this evening. It's a very merry walk around our beautiful village. So, just while the torches come in, if this is your first ever bonfire in Brockham, wave your arms in the air. Quite a few. Right. Please don't around the bonfire. We've had a very special occasion in this area. Well done, Mrs. Nicky. We have flames. The rest of you. 1, 2, 3. The bottom 6 foot of the fire, please. Well done.
Blue lights are stolen, so don't care about fireworks, fire.
So I think all the torches are very nearly on the fire. So we're going to say 3 cheers for the bonfire, boys and girls. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! And what a wonderful bonfire it is, built by the bonfire team this year, led by Chris Dishart and his band of merry men, and importantly women, who have spent 6 weeks on the top of the bonfire. And as you can see, it's burning beautifully.
Families, listen very carefully. Last weekend we had an engagement ceremony on the top of the bonfire. Sending huge congratulations to Oliver and Abby on your bonfire engagement. So looking forward and excited for the big day. Lots of love and hugs from Grandad, Mum and Mark. And a heart for Margaret Hamp, who's been a loyal attender at Brockham Bonfire throughout her adult life. As she approaches her 100th birthday, this will be the first year she is unable to attend. She has always brought her family and friends together from across the world for this special night.
The main fireworks display will be in about 10 minutes. And there's a lot of people here tonight.
Smiley face from the Prout family and a smiley face from all the members of the Surrey Hills IT team. And congratulations to Nowhere near loud enough. Try once more. 1, 2, 3. Better. better, but they're all getting old. One more time, 1, 2, 3.
I had to double look.